Introducing the 2022 Kia Ev6 Earth 5-door auto in sleek grey. This electric MPV boasts a range of premium features including ambient lighting, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more, with safety features such as anti-collision system and lane departure. Warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The luxury trim interior and spoiler exterior add a touch of style. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specifications, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Call Dooley Motors Carlow or visit our showroom today. Drive away in the future of motoring.